Hey guys, we're going to review our numbers 1 through 6. All right. Number 1, let me move Miss Hendry's big face out of the way. Number 1, start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Good. Number 2, make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Ready for number 3? Around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Good. Number 4, down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Good. I think this is my favorite. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. That one's silly. Number 6, make a C and then an O. Now you've made a 6. You know, good. All right, guys, make sure that you're counting a lot of objects at home, okay? Bye.